Welcome. So we saw how we can access TISSx courses using the laptop or the desktop or using a mobile phone browser. But what if you have an Android phone? Can you use something else much more useful? Well, today's video is about that. This video deals with how we can use something called the TISSx app made for mobile phone users that is currently available only for Android users and not for Windows. So if you go to Play Store and you click on something as simple as type in TISSx. So if you search for TISSx, it will show you something called TISSx by Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and you can install it. It is free and it is very useful, right? So I have this already, and we did create it using with the help of OpenEdX and Massachusetts Institute of Technology. But what is more important is the app itself. So let's look at what happens. You would have had to register yourself on the site, on TISSx site. You would have had to enroll in the course using the site. You can use this app only if you have already done those two things. Register yourself on the site and enroll yourself in the courses on the site, on the tissx.tiss.edu site. Once you're there, you land on settings and my courses, etc. You can choose whether you want to have it only when it is Wi-Fi download. You can log out if you want. And if you want to sign in, you just have to type in the email address that you had typed in using the platform, and that is when you would be able to utilize. So one of the other things, and I have logged in using my account, is that you will see all the courses that you have already pushed in out here, whatever you're registered in. You click on any of the courses just as you would do in a mobile browser, and what you have here is the course, the videos, discussion, handouts, if there are any handouts, announcements, progress. So and the wiki. So everything that you can see on your site on the mobile using a browser, you would now see it in a vertical order instead of in the horizontal order, right? Now, announcements are what is your home page. So what you would land on in the course is what the announcements will deal with, right? So this is your announcement. Whatever we have updated on the home page, we will be constantly updating, and you will get the announcements page there. You can click on this green bar which has an arrow key to the left to go back, and you can click on course, and here you will see all the sessions in order as to what they have been released, and you can click on the session and you can start with looking at the activities and what are the surveys and everything of that sort. So all of this will be visible to you right then and there, right? The course introduction video will be available to you to see. You can see the course introduction video if you need to. You will be able to, click on next at the bottom and see what are the activities of graded approach that come in. And it really depends on your internet speed, but once you have downloaded, the next time that you go back, it is very easy to check out, right? So the embed URL and everything else of the survey, etc., will play out right there on your platform. So you don't have to go elsewhere. So you will be able to see the course, do the activities and everything just using the site, right? So now if you have something like a discussion, you can go into discussion and you can see who all have posted. You can try and state if you have something of, For instance, if one of the faculties has posted, you can also vote for them. So there is this +1 vote. It basically means that you like the post. You can also follow it by saying that you would like to get communication every time that the post is updated, and you may want to add a response by typing in, hi, this is a course team member, and Anusha, and here just wanted to say welcome all, right? So that's all that you will have to do, and you can add a response and you get in here. Now, yes, there are certain features in the mobile version and the browser version that are not available in the TISSx app. For instance, it is very difficult to add a picture or something of that sort out here. So those are problematic areas, but overall we can manage, right? And the same thing applies for anything and everything. So you can continue discussing and enjoying the post. If for any other queries or complaints or for anything that you have, please do reach out to what we have already written out here as the home page, the announcements page. Please do reach out to rtict@clicksindia.org. That's all. Stay well, stay safe. Thank you.